Would you try a dish in which a lethal dose of poison kills you in a matter of minutes, leaving you fully conscious to watch yourself suffocate to death? Every year, thousands of people consciously risk their lives for a unique gastronomic experience by tasting the legendary fugu fish. Fugu is a unique phenomenon in the culinary world that has become a true cultural phenomenon in Japan, shrouded in the mystique of mortal danger and high craftsmanship. Its peculiarity lies not in the fact that the fish itself is poisonous, but in the fact that it accumulates deadly tetrodotoxin from bacteria contained in its natural food, starfish, mollusks, and algae. Interestingly, when fugu is raised in artificial conditions on a safe diet, it becomes completely harmless. The tetrodotoxin contained in fugu is striking in its lethality. It is 1,200 times more toxic than potassium cyanide. The lethal dose for humans is only 1 to 2 milligrams, and there is no antidote. The mechanism of action of the poison is horrific. It blocks sodium channels in nerve cells, causing complete paralysis of the muscles, including the diaphragm. At the same time, the person remains fully conscious and literally watches their own death from suffocation, unable to move or call for help. Given this danger, the preparation of fugu has become a high art in Japan, accessible only to the select few. To obtain a license to prepare this fish, a chef undergoes intensive training lasting 2 to 3 years and passes 2 serious exams, theoretical and practical. During the practical exam, the candidate must independently cut up the fish, prepare the dish, and then eat it. This tests not only skill, but also confidence in one's own abilities. In ancient times, there was a gruesome tradition. If a customer died from fugu poisoning, the chef who prepared the dish was obliged to commit ritual suicide, seppuku, as a sign of atonement. Although this is not legally binding today, the moral responsibility that falls on chefs remains extremely high. The pleasure of tasting fugu is not cheap. One dish in a specialized restaurant, yakitoriya, can cost from $100 to $500 or more. The high price is explained not only by the exclusivity of the product, but also by the cost of hiring a highly skilled chef who literally holds the customer's life in their hands. Due to the deadly danger, the sale and preparation of fugu is prohibited in many countries around the world. For example, there is a direct ban on this fish in the European Union. In Japan, however, it is legal but strictly regulated by the state. This creates a special status for fugu as a forbidden delicacy, which only increases its appeal to gourmets. Interestingly, some connoisseurs specifically order fugu prepared with a microscopic, non-lethal amount of poison. This causes a slight feeling of euphoria, tingling in the lips and extremities, and a feeling of warmth. However, this is an extremely dangerous game, as the line between pleasant intoxication and death is extremely thin. Fugu has a unique ability that distinguishes it from other fish. It can inflate. In moments of danger, fugu quickly swallows water, or air, if already caught, and inflates into a ball covered with sharp spines. This makes it virtually invulnerable to most predators and gives it a special status in the world of marine creatures. In Japanese culture, fugu has become the embodiment of the concept of ikigai, meaning of life, and the Japanese people's special attitude toward death and risk. The ability to appreciate the fragility and danger of the moment, to trust the skill of the chef, and to enjoy the taste on the border between life and death is a deeply philosophical experience that resonates with traditional Japanese values. Fugu is not just a dish, but a whole ritual that requires special treatment and respect. Chefs who specialize in preparing fugu enjoy a special status in Japan, and many of them pass on their art from generation to generation, preserving family secrets of preparation. Despite the risk, the number of people willing to try fugu is not decreasing. For many, it is a way to test themselves, face their fears, and overcome them. For others, it is an opportunity to experience a special gastronomic pleasure, which is compared to the finest wines or rare delicacies. Fugu remains one of the symbols of Japan, its attitude to perfection, risk, and craftsmanship. It is a gastronomic experience that goes far beyond simple nutrition, becoming a cultural phenomenon that continues to fascinate and frighten people around the world. Very interesting facts, indeed. What do you think? Write in the comments and subscribe to the channel.